Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making grapefruit jelly in a cup made of fruit skin. It is sweet, tart, and refreshing and looks very pretty. These are the ingredients. We are using grapefruits today, but you can also use orange. For more information, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. In a small bowl, add gelatin and water, stir, and set aside for at least 5 minutes. Slice the grapefruit in half and squeeze the juice out without breaking or crushing the fruit skins, keeping their shape. Save both juice and the skin. Then remove the remaining grapefruit from inside the grapefruit skin, forming an empty cup, and clean the inner surface like that. Combine grapefruit juice and water, add sugar and lemon juice in a pot, and heat to very warm until the sugar has dissolved. Remove from heat and add soft gelatin, and stir until the gelatin has completely dissolved. Cool the pot in ice water bath until the liquid gets slightly thick, stirring constantly. And then pour the mixture into prepared grapefruit cups and chill in the fridge at least 2 hours or overnight. Cut in half if you like, and garnish with mint leaves before serving. This dessert looks and tastes great, and it's very easy to make. Perfect for an afternoon snack or a refreshing dessert after a meal.
美味しい。
美味しいね。